is a new brand we have in the market. It's Amrucha Beauty. I'm wearing there one of the most, I really love it. Oh my god, this three. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Prakriti. How are you all? I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So in today's video, it's gonna be a makeup haul where I've shown you some amazing makeups and my new makeups that I have added into my collections. I'm loving it already. I have given a full try on of all the makeups in today's haul, and the lipstick I am wearing right now, it's the new launch, the new brand we have in the market. It's Amrucha Beauty. I'm wearing their one of the most favorite and loved shade from their range, and I'm so excited. So in case if you want to know what are these and what I'm wearing today, this is the makeup look all I have created using my new purchases. Please do carry on watching this video. Also, I will tell you how I saved a lot of money and I've tried new products. So if you want to save some money and try some new beautiful products, do carry on watching this video. Before that, if you are coming here for the first time and if you're seeing me for the first time, then hi, I'm Prakriti. I make videos related to fashion, beauty, lifestyle here on this channel. So take a moment to subscribe to my channel to see more such videos, and without any further delay now, let's quickly jump into the video. Okay, so I have purchased some new makeup products for January to try on, and there is also a Swiss Beauty PR, so I have included all of them because abhi मैं अगर इसको try नहीं करूँगी on camera, I will end up not wearing it. That is how it happens. On camera अगर मैं इसको नहीं open करूँ, you know how the jazz is. So without any further delay, we will quickly start. So we will first start with Swiss Beauty PR, and I think by now you have already seen reel ना क्या बोलते हैं उसको short on my channel, but here I will show you what I received as a PR from Swiss Beauty. Oh, what a start of this year, getting a PR from Swiss Beauty and doing a collab video with them is everything. Okay, so this is what we received. Let me show you up close. So we have some of their new launches. So first is the Chick It Up blush. This is Swiss Beauty's new launch. I absolutely love this blush. I have seen on their page and I felt in love with this. So this is the first one. I will give you the swatch. That's why I am sitting all bare face so that I can give all the swatches really crystal clear. So first we will start with the blush here and I will show you how it look like. So stunning. It's a very cute packaging and it's very much travel friendly. So you have this cap going on right here. You have to just open it and see. This is how beautiful the shade is. Wow, doesn't it look stunning? And let me blend it nice and well. It blends like butter, and I'm not kidding, it's so good. Let me try this side as well. It's highly pigmented, so I'm scared not using too much, but yeah, this is amazing. If I give a hand swatch, once white pigmentation looks stunning. And yeah, that's it. It's so simple and easy to use. Next, moving to the next packaging of this is the Highlight It Up highlighter. Super promising. This one also looks from this one right here. So this is how the Highlight It Up highlighter look like. And if I give you a closer, stunning. It's stunning. It has the same packaging cap going on. It's very interesting because otherwise you end up losing some products, because if it gets twisted, it's a retractable kind of thing. So you end up product, so the cap does make sense there. Wow. Can you see this shine? I do not have a mirror, but I hope if someone knows. Little bit here. Oh wow. That's it. So this highlighter is in the shade called 02 Golden Hour that I'm wearing. Next I have this beautiful shade called Athena. It's their HD matte range lipstick. Let me try it some now on my lips and let me show you how it looks. So it has this, magnetic effect that this range got. I love this. Yeah. So let me just show you up close how it looks. So this is this beautiful shade. Glides. Can you see the color? Oh wow. Very pretty and bright shade. Okay, so this is how it look like. I like it not with the maybe this what I'm wearing, but I like this color. It's a kind of a brickish reddish color, brickish to orangish color on my face looking, on my lips it's looking. That was all from Swiss Beauty. We have now moving to the K Beauties. Okay, so the next product that I will be trying, it's my new purchase from K Beauty, and this is the first time I'm purchasing from them. So I got these 3 products. It's their bridal essential kit from where I got hands-on. So I thought, why not? It's the best way to try this because I was getting such a great deal. These 3 cost me 1700-ish. I would say. I will attach a picture over here. So this is what the deal I got, and it's a fantastic one to just try it, because individually if I would have bought it, it cost me a lot more. Starting with this blush first, and this is how the blush look like. It's a very teeny tiny. This is the packaging, how it looks. This is how it look like, and this is how the blush is. It got this monogram going on, and if I open it, this is how it look like. If I give it little swatch, this is in the shade called Awaken, and wait, I'm not very great at it. How creamy, wow, the color screams brown skin girl. I'm definitely sure it will look amazing. This comes with a mirror as well, and oh, wow, it's a very velvety creamy texture and highly pigmented. One swipe gives me this bright color, and it's in shade Awaken. So it's a very nice burgundy to this. Wow. Definitely I have blush blindness, but I think this looks stunning. Yeah. It looks stunning. This color is cream brown skin girl, and I'm loving it. So nice. Next I'll be trying their cream Hydra cream lipstick, and it's in the shade called Panache. This is how the packaging look like. The packaging and everything looks stunning, quite impressive. I have to see how it looks from inside and how the formulation is. It's their Hydra cream lipstick, so I'm hoping this will just hydrate my lips super well. Oh my god, this packaging is luxe. So this is how the packaging look like. Let me give you. Okay, this is stunning. Let me try. The moment of truth is here. Let me try it and give you. It's definitely super juicy, super hydrating. I love it. I'm not used to this angle applicator till now, but this is really feels very hydrating on the lips, like how it says it's Hydra lipstick, Hydra cream lipstick. And yeah, my first impression will be stunning. I don't know how the shade match looking on my skin tone, but I think it's quite doing a great job. Lining of my lip would rather help, but stunning. The lipstick is stunning. So juicy. My lips look like plumped up, and I'm loving it. This is definitely K-Beauty is killing it. Okay, I have market, so stunning. Okay, so I will be trying this long-lasting kajal, the brown kajal. Before that, I will use this same blush to do my eyes as well a little bit, so that because I do not have a new eyeshadow. You know, I do not know. Eyeshadow was a thing back in 20s, 21, 20, and now eyeshadow market is very saturated. There's no really new. Huda's one I know they are doing, but it's a lot more expensive one. But affordable section when Mars did something good eyeshadow palette. Still now I have it, so I think people should come up with more this eyeshadow option. Maybe I don't know. It's like eyeshadow things is not the thing of 2020-25, or it was in 2020-24, and blushes and everything used to do maximum job because kitne hum log eyeshadow use karte hain. I think that's my opinion. That's why I'm not catering to that many eyeshadow. And also in this makeup haul, you won't see me having purchased any eyeshadows for that matter. So क्योंकि ऐसा कुछ नया हटके आया ही नहीं market में that really catched my eye. Okay, so I'm done with the eyeshadow. So it's the time to try this K-Beauty's long-lasting this kajal. It's in the shade called, it's brown shade. So I'm excited to try, and yeah. So the same monograms and everything going on. I will try it now. Oh, it's a retractable pencil. That's great. That is great. Because I'm really, you know, tired of sharpening my pencils. Can you see this one? Oh my god, this glides. This glides, and this actually show on brown skin. I'm not even kidding, because there are certain browns which do not show on brown skin. I mean, this brown does. You can see the difference. You can really see the difference. Oh, this is gonna be my new favorite. You know, sometimes to create those smoky eye, you do not want that dark black eyeshadow. This one will does the job. If you are searching for a very nice creamy brown shade, let me give a swatch. This is everything. How pretty. Okay. And this glides like, it's a best kajal. I really love it. Oh my god, this three, I have used only these three products from K-Beauty, and see this look I have created. I'm loving it totally. I'm just loving it. I should have done this one later. I'm super impressed with my K-Beauty's purchase, and I'm loving it. I'm obsessed. What is this look? Do I have to introduce? So moving to the last package that we have is from Mrucha Beauty. So this is Mrunal Panchal's brand, the newly launched Mrucha Beauty we have, and I'm so proud. I'm so excited to try this. So, and one of the saddest stories is that the day I ordered this, their lipsticks, right after that day they had their new launch. I was like, if I would have waited just another day, I could have grabbed their new launches as well. But no worries, I will try their new launches too. If I like this one, I will definitely get hands on there. So now let me try this shade. So I have got their viral, shades from their range of the previous launch. So I got this two beautiful lipsticks from there. So in case you were wondering, you get this lipstick. Of course, you get the stickers. I'm so excited to paste it on my laptop, and so thank you God. That is so sweet. And the packaging, color, everything is a little bit of different what brands usually going on. I love their logo and everything. The packaging is so cute. Now the moment of truth, we have to try this two lipstick right here. This is how it look like, and let me tell you, I got these two shades. These are their best sellers. So I got the brownie and blue. So this is, of course, I have to try the browns of theirs from theirs, and I have the blue and brownie. So this is how the packaging look like. Stunning packaging. And if I show you, this is how they look like. Okay, so let me first open brownie. keeping the best for the last. So, oh my god, this is stunning. Okay, blue also at the same time. Let me show you how this looks. This pin looks on. Ooh, I'm so excited to try this. This is the difference, you guys, in case you were wondering. So this one is brownie, and this one, which is again another brown, is brew. These are so stunning color. Now let me give you first some hand swatch. The packaging is so cute. Okay, so I'm trying brownie first. Wow, this one glides. So this is how stunning. Okay, see, I'm a brown skin girl. Many of the reviews I have seen that they said this washes brown skin. So if your skin tone is like me or similar to me, then this is how your hand swatch would look like. Now I'm giving a swatch of the brew. And I think brownie is a perfect shade for brown skin, I guess, than brew. What I am assuming. This looks stunning. Now I will remove my existing lipstick and I will show you now how they look like. Okay. First, let me try brew. So, okay. No. Amazing. What is this? A velvety texture. This looks stunning. Okay, so this looks stunning. I love it. I am loving it. I'm loving it. It transfers, dude. It transfers. It's not a transfer-proof lipstick, and it does not claim also that this is transfer-proof lipstick. It does transfer, but what is this color? I love this brew. I was also my hand swatch पे लेके मैं थोड़ा सा doubtful थी कि it will wash me out, but that's what do you think? It's a pretty color. See, it does transfer, पूरा ही transfer होता है, but what is this color? Now let me try brownie now. I'm so excited for this as well. What is this? What is this? It's stunning. This is the color. This is a stunning shade. I'm not at all sorry for how I was feeling that I should have also tried their new launch. I will definitely do order because after trying this, I became fan of this lipstick, these shades. I mean, what are these shades? Stunning. I will definitely purchase their new launch as well. I know they are quite, as per the pricing, they are quite expensive, I would say, but these are so comfortable. I do have to understand. See, also it's about the formulation. They also charge you for the formulation. If this formulation is not dehydrating your lips, it's doing that crazy business, I would love to invest on this lipstick because this shade really works for me. So I will let you know about the updated liking of this lipstick or not in short form of video, so that I can tell you, because price range was always there an issue. Many of them pointed that you are selling for a much expensive price than what you are offering, but that is also something that you pay for the formulation. So I have to really see and check. The colors are stunning. That I can say as of now. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked all my new purchases, all my new makeups of January 2025. These are all what I have added into my collection in this month itself. So that's it for this video. I hope you like it. If you did, don't forget to comment down below what you want to see next and what are your thoughts about this haul. So that's it. I will see you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, I love you all so very much. Bye.